Hey guys, what's up? It's Jay from JaySMR. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something different. As you can see, I'm not in my room. I am in my kitchen again. And I bought this cool deep dish fryer thing, skillet thing, because I'm going to make for you guys some zoodles, spicy Korean noodles. So that's this. This one right here. The bull knock, except without the actual noodles. I'm going to be putting zucchini noodles in it and see how it works. I'm going to be putting the heat a little bit to 350 and I'm going to put some oil so we can cook the eggs. There you go. Gosh guys, you know what? I've been sick for like over a month and I'm not sure what's happening. This cold that's going around is kicking my ass. Oh, I need like a thing. Hold on. Okay, so while that's heating up, I'll cut this later. I'll put that here. I'm going to make the zoodles. Actually, no. The zoodles take a lot of space. So I'm going to put this. I'm going to cut the leeks. So if you guys have never used leek before, you're supposed to use the white part and then the green part you don't use, apparently. That's what the internet said. If you hear my brother coughing, that's because he's sick also. We have like the exact same sickness. Like when he gets a sore throat, I get a sore throat. I don't know where the heck the sickness is taking us, but it's been a month, so. Ooh. Sorry for the loud noise. This is totally not safe. I'm so close to the floor. Hold on, I want to stand up for this. This knife sucks. Gosh. Okay, I think that's enough. Maybe a little bit more. Let me use everything. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna put this away, use it for later. So that's this. So I'm gonna put those leeks away. And then all that here. Then I'm gonna use my little zoodler machine to make zoodles. Is this hot? I think it's hot. Okay, let's go make the eggs. How nice. Uh-oh. Forgot to put the oil around the nonstick. Oh well. Oh my god. So while that's happening, I'm gonna cut up the zoodler. My eggs are cooking. The thing about the zoodle machine thing is that it takes a while for it to make. Wow. My noodles are very interesting. They're very, I don't know, not as firm as I was before. Look at it, it's so broken. What the heck? I don't like this. Okay, I'm gonna take this out before it burns. So mad. This is such an ugly noodles. What the heck? Let's go put in the leaks. I'm gonna add a little bit of granulated garlic. Some salt. And then some pepper. There we go. Okay. We'll let that cook for a little bit. What is this? That's not a noodle. Okay, you know what? Screw it, guys. I tried to be healthy. But you know what? It just doesn't wanna agree with me. So I'm just gonna eat noodles. I give up. We're just gonna put some cucumber in this and just eat normal noodles. Freaking A. I was so excited to show you guys zoodles, and now I'm upset. Whatever. Over it. That's fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of kimchi inside this. Just for more flavor. Oh, that's too much. So we're gonna put the noodles in now. Make it a little bit higher. Let's make it hot. I'll try the chicken real quick. Mmm. Wow, I'm impressed. Mmm. So how are you guys doing today? I think I asked you guys that earlier in the video, but I got too distracted by the fact that my noodles failed. I'm doing well. I already told you that I'm still sick. I got the job. I quit my previous job. I was working, I can't say the name of it, but I was working at another place as a nurse. I'm a nurse. And I quit because upper management wasn't doing very well. I thought I was getting taken advantage of. And, you know, we were working hard, doing the exact same thing other nurses were doing. And the CNAs were working hard too, but we're not getting the exact same pay. So I quit because it's just, you know, a company that doesn't take care of me, why would I want to take care of the company, you know? and their clients when they don't want to take care of me. So I quit. And I took a vacation for 2 weeks. I say vacation because I didn't enjoy myself because I was sick the entire freaking time, as you guys already know. I quit on January 15. It is now February 1st. So, and I'm still sick, so I didn't really get to do much of anything. But that's okay. Anyway, I got the job. I interviewed. I went to a better place. Kind of looks like a hospital, except it's like a rehab long-term care stay. Really nice, super nice. I got the job, paying me $5 more an hour, and I get to pick the hours that I want to work. So that's really good. That's really nice. I like it. I feel like this isn't enough noodles. But anyway, I'm gonna start working there. The only thing that sucks is that I lost my CPR card. I'm not sure where I put it. I took my CPR class back in February of last year, and I got 2 years on it, and so it's not expired. The only thing is I can't find it anywhere. I don't know where I put it. I thought I put it in the car. I thought I put it in like my little like work folder, but it's not there. I don't know where it is. So that sucks. I'm gonna have to take CPR class or something. I don't know how to replace it or where to go to get your replacement or something. But it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind. I just want to start working right away because, I mean, I have a lot of money in my savings, but I really don't want to touch it because it's savings, you know. It's for, I'm saving for a new car. I want to get like a gas efficient car, like a hybrid or something, so I can save money, and a car that I can go long distances because I do want to do agency soon because they pay the most. And they pay $10 more than what I'm gonna be making, or like $6 more. So I really want to do that. I really want to go into agency. But anyway, that's been my life for the past few days. I've been playing, let's see, what else have I been doing? I don't know. Oh, my best friend, Jensine, she said she wanted to do a mukbang with me, so we're going to do that soon. That's going to be sometime in February. I don't know what date exactly. But thank you guys for posting some questions. She's very interested in answering them for you guys. It's funny because my personality, it changes with different people. So if someone is boring, my personality becomes boring. If they're very fun and exciting, then I become fun and exciting. So I'm very much like I don't know, I just adapt to who I'm with. So when you see me with her, our personalities are like, I might turn into a different person. Like I'll be the same person, I mean, basically, but like, I'm a lot more talkative around her. We feed off of each other's really terrible sense of humor. I feel like you guys are so far. Here, let me scoot you guys up a little bit closer so you guys can see the magic that's happening. Yeah. There you go. So this is the finished product for the eggs and stuff. That's the chicken cucumber leek with the 2 eggs. I know some of you guys hate the way I hold my chopsticks. I don't know how I learned it like this. I was told that you hold this chopstick like a pencil, right? And this one, you do this, right? But the thing is, I need my middle finger because my pointer finger is not strong. And so this is just how I've always hold my chopsticks. And apparently, people don't like that. Maybe it's because I hold it in the middle, and but I try to hold it in the top. But I don't know. That's just how I've always held my chopsticks. So just gotta deal with it, guys. I don't mean it. I don't mean to make you guys mad. But that's just how I hold my chopsticks. I'm gonna cook the noodles until the water's evaporated. There you go. Just the vegetable packets. Mmm. Oh, I can already imagine what it's gonna taste like. Gosh, I'm getting so fat. I really don't want to get fat, guys. I've worked so hard losing weight. This was supposed to be a low-carb meal, but because that cucumber piece of crap didn't cut very well. Fail, but that's okay. Okay. Da, 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 na, na, na. Making the noodles. I'm so excited to eat. I'm hungry. What time is it? It's like almost midnight. I have to get up in like 9 hours. I don't know if I can finish everything. Okay. Turn this off now. Okay, let's go put in this sauce. I love spicy noodles. If I had to pick one food that I enjoy in the entire world, it's noodles. That's why my last like 5, well, I had 3 videos where I did nothing but spicy noodles. And then I did the pizza video, and then now I'm doing noodles again. I just like noodles. Noodles is my thing, especially spicy Korean noodles. It's my favorite. Spicy Korean noodles are my favorite. Okay. I was gonna lick my fingers, but there was nothing on it. Look at that. Oh. So, it looks so good. I feel like it's still wet. Okay, on the heat again. Don't like watered down noodles. Okay. Put this on top. Oops. That's a lot of food. Am I gonna finish everything, guys? I don't know. Okay, I've repositioned the camera so you guys can see a little concoction. Doesn't this look good? Oh my gosh. I'm excited. Okay, turn it off now. Okay, nothing exciting, just a cup of water because I'm sick and I need to get fluids down. Okay, you guys excited? I'm so excited to eat. Got my little bamboo bowl. Oh, spicy. I mean spicy. Hot. Freaking burned my wrist. Uh-oh. Let's get some cucumber and chicken in here. Okay, the thing I want to put on top, I like mayonnaise on top of my noodles. I like it a lot. And see, some people are going to go, what the heck are you doing? But I like it. It's an Asian thing. I see a lot of Asians doing it. I don't know where it came from. That's just how it is. My forehead is so shiny. I hate how when you clean your face, your forehead, you know, becomes like marble. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So happy. Oh. A little bit of kimchi, some noodles. Oh. Gosh. My towel keeps falling on the floor. Starting to sweat.
Ooh. I'm full. Did it. Alright guys, I gotta go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being patient with me throughout this entire video. My original plan did not work, so we just did what we could and it ended up being fine. So anyways, if you guys liked this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any comments, and subscribe to my channel. I release videos almost every day. This is my mukbang. It's a mukbang ASMR channel if you guys like that. whispering and eating. I wanted to talk about something before I left. I do fast twice a week, and that does help. However, I feel like I need to take care of myself more. And this sickness that's not going away, I'm pretty sure one of the big reasons why it's not going away is because I'm not eating very well. Because I do my videos, and I want to do like crispy foods and the foods that you guys want me to eat, like desserts and stuff. But I can't get better if I'm feeding my body crap. And so what I want to do is cut down on the videos a little bit, just for a little bit. Eat some greens and fruits and stuff, some vitamin C, so that my body can get better faster. Just so, I need to take care of myself. I don't want my body, I only have one body, I want to take care of it. So, anyways, that's my plan for the future. This video has gone on long enough. Oh my gosh, my face is so round. Alright guys, gotta go. Love you guys so much. Thank you for everything. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.